Crazy Chef, today we're making this summer rice and peas and chicken all in one, and with a little bonus we're gonna throw in some turkey neck, right? So the first thing you want to do is wash, clean, season your turkey neck. And I'm gonna pressure cooker my turkey neck for, let's say, 12 minutes. I don't want them to be too soft, right? Then I'm gonna get some chicken thighs. Today I'm using that boneless chicken thighs, right? And I'm gonna brown my chicken thighs as if I was gonna make some brown stew chicken, right? Once I've browned my chicken thighs to my desired color, right, I'm gonna add my condiments. I'm gonna add a little scotch bonnet, some onions, some bell peppers, a lot of thyme, some scallion, some tomatoes, and some potatoes. Then I'm gonna add a little browning in my water, and I'm gonna add some water, just enough water, because remember we're gonna add rice to it, right? So we want enough water to cover the meat, cook the meat, bring our condiments and stuff to that desired texture, and still have enough water for the rice. So I add like 3 to 4 cups of water. If it needs more, I'll add it. If it needs less, I'll take some out. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning and a little bit of SALT, right? Then we're gonna let that simmer for a while, and then we're gonna add our coconut milk, because if you remember, we're making rice, beans, chicken, turkey neck all in one. And for this recipe, I'm gonna use canned beans. You can use fresh beans if you want, or dried beans, but for this recipe, yours truly is with canned beans. Then we're gonna let that reduce as if we're gonna cook some rice and peas. You want to get that same taste. It's just gonna be a little bit up the notch because we add the chicken. Let that reduce. Look at that. See how that look beautiful? That look delicious. And now we're gonna let it reduce a little bit. We're not gonna put any butter just because our chicken has grease. Wash our rice, and we're gonna add 2 cups of rice, right? 2 cups of rice to 3 cups of water. Add our rice, give that a stir, and then we're gonna let it simmer once again, right? So we're gonna give that a stir. We're gonna put the cover. So now it's like cover on, cover off, cover on, cover off, because you want to get that vibe, right? You see it's coming along, and now we're gonna stir. I think it's a good time to add our turkey neck. So we're gonna add our turkey neck. Those are nice and tender, and then we're just gonna let that finish. We're just gonna let that bad boy finish. Let's just push those turkey necks in the bottom, some on the top, some off the bottom. We're gonna mix it anyway, and then so we're gonna mix that, add the rest of the juice, and then we're gonna cover on, then we're gonna cover off, and that bad boy is done. Look at that beautiful thing. Crazy Chef, big vibe. Like, share, subscribe. This is our summer rice, peas, chicken, turkey neck, all in one pot. That's a vibe. If you're lazy like me, this is what you want to be making this summer on a Sunday when you're sitting outside enjoying that beautiful sun. Don't forget to like the video. If you're the first time here, don't forget, subscribe to the vibe.